डोंट हॅव एनीवन इकडे कोण नाही आहे तसं टू गाईड मी टू शो मी द राईट आय वुड से मार्गदर्शन. खूप लोकांशी मी मराठीमध्ये बोलतो अँड दे से तू मराठी बोलता है, अरे तू मराठी बोलता है. अरे मैं महाराष्ट्र में, तो अच्छा तू महाराष्ट्र में.
Oh my God.
बहुत सारे शिकायतें भी मिलती है मुझे उनके बॉयफ्रेंड से कि यार भाई तू ऐसा क्या करता है कि मतलब उनको वो हमको बोलती है तेरे जैसे बनने के लिए,
हाँ.
क्या करते हो आप, जरा टिप्स दो हमको, जरा गाइडेंस दो, जरा एडवाइस दो. सो आई फील वेरी ब्लेस्ड इनफ टू हैव दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ टचवुड टू हैव दैट क्रेज एंड दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ लव एंड एडमिरेशन. तुझे कंट्रोवर्सी पर जाना नहीं पड़ता, तू बीच में खड़ा है और तू स्पाइडरमैन की तरह तू ऐसे करता है और कंट्रोवर्सी तेरे पास आ जाती है अपने आप.
Exactly.
Who will match up to this tall, sexy, handsome Desi Munda Chirag?
Oh.
Parth.
Yes. Hi everyone, this is your host Riya and today we have with us Parth Samthania. Welcome to Instant Bollywood. कैसे हैं आप?
Thank you. बढ़िया, आप कैसी हो?
मैं भी ठीक हूँ. So
Yeah.
first of all, Parth, congratulate for your debut movie Gudchadi, जो 9th अगस्त को आने वाली है. और Gudchadi अभी तक हुई नहीं है, but फैंस अभी से ही
हाँ.
जश्न मना रहे हैं. All excitement, I'm sure आप भी excited होंगे, nervousness भी होगी. There's a
Yes.
mixed feeling, I'm sure. So I want to know what's your overall experience. And आपने कल स्क्रीन में बोला भी था कि it's like a family, बहुत मजा आया था. I want to know in detail.
I want to know कि जो तुमने बोल दिया है वो इतना ही तुम ही डिटेल में बोल दो सब कुछ, क्योंकि तुम्हें सब कुछ पता है अब मुझे क्या बोलने को है.
Yeah.
Because but no, I on a serious note I am very excited and I'm nervous, I'm anxious. सारे जो mixed feelings जितने हो सकते हैं सब कुछ है.
Exactly.
Stressed भी हूँ.
Yeah.
और of course it's your first film, so you're looking forward because एक अलग ही किस्म की एक टारगेट ऑडियंस जो है वो देखने वाली है इस फिल्म को. नॉट ओनली द टेलीविजन विच हैज सीन मी ओवर द इयर्स एंड ऑल एंड दे हैव अप्रिशिएटेड माय वर्क, but it's a different ball game altogether. Films is a different entity altogether.
Yeah.
And especially when you are paired opposite or in the
Exactly.
film with Baba
Yes.
and Raveena ma'am, of course, who you look up to, who we admired a lot. So it's a very anxious moment for me because I have given my best.
Exactly.
I've really worked for it, hard for it, and I hope that people like the hard work that we've put up. And if you guys haven't watched the trailer, please watch the trailer. And whoever has watched it already, I hope that you guys have liked it because काफी acknowledgement सुनी है मैंने लोगों से और तुमसे भी.
Yes.
So yeah, thank you so much. And of course, the song is fantastic, of course, by Subir Paji, Punjabi Munde. So yeah, good music.
Yeah.
Full of Punjabi vibe in the film, so I'm sure that people have all the reasons to watch the film. Fantastic,
Exactly.
stellar cast, and of course, the songs, the movie, and me.
Yeah. सब्र का फल मीठा आता ही और आ भी
होता
गया.
है और
हाँ,
मिलेगा
होता
और
है.
मिल रहा है.
मिल रहा है
हाँ.
और मिलता भी
और
रहेगा.
9 मेरे लिए बहुत lucky number है, by the way. So when I
Oh.
heard that it's releasing on 9th, I was like, अब तो 9th को ही release होनी चाहिए.
Oh my
बस.
God.
Yes.
So nice,
yeah. I
so
believe
nice.
in I don't know,
Astronaut.
numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I feel 9 has played a very crucial part in my life.
Wow.
हाँ, तो भले ही वो 9 हो या 18 हो या 27th of the month, some good has happened on that day. I don't know what, how, magically or just coincidence, I don't know what. मेरी गाड़ी का नंबर भी 9 है.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Wow.
so yeah.
Manifestation का भी असर हो सकता
Yeah,
है.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah. And also Parth, working with Sanju Baba and Ravina Tandon ji and of course Aruna ji.
And of course Kushali.
Of
yeah.
course
And of course
Kushali.
Kushali.
And of course.
Aruna Tandon.
So I want to know how was your first interaction with them and how did it go? Were you nervous? Were you like chilled?
No, I was nervous when I had to shoot with Baba.
Okay.
And Ravina ma'am, I barely shot. I had like couple of scenes only. But with Baba, I had to shoot obviously the entire father-son relationship. तो first day तक मुझे पहुंचने तक in my mind it was like obviously Sanjay Dutt playing your father,
Yeah.
and it's like Sanjay Dutt. But when I got there on the set, for me it was just Chirag and his dad Veer, and that's it.
Oh my
Nothing more than that, because for me it was important to just forget of what this gentleman is off the set. It was very important because if I hadn't forgotten, I would take that baggage in the character and that nervousness would creep in. That anxious, whatever that
Yeah.
feeling would creep in, and it will come across on the camera and it
Yeah.
won't look nice.
Yeah.
So for me it was very important to forget all that and to just play a father-son relationship, of how I would feel, of how I am reacting to my father's whatever he says, or how I would say and how he would react. The whole bonding, and the whole bonding with me and Aruna Irani ji, playing my dadi, she being the sweetest dadi, of course, and I'm sure, I hope if anyone could get a dadi like her,
ऐसी दादी बनी.
अरे ऐसी मिलनी चाहिए यार. So she was fantastic. She's a
Yeah.
wonderful human being,
Hmm.
and she's an inspiration. यार 6 decades.
Wow.
6 decades. Like yesterday, Ravina ma'am mentioned,
Yes.
she's the OG of OG of OG of OG.
True
So
that.
yeah,
True
so yeah, I mean,
Exactly.
you feel privileged
Hmm.
and honored to be a part of such
Hmm.
a family.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
when Punjabi dadis are basically like this. कोई भी पंजाबी फैमिली में कोई भी दादी देखो तो
हाँ.
कूल ही रहेंगी, चिल रहेंगी, एकदम savage मोड में
Yeah,
रहेंगी.
yeah, I feel the whole Punjabi tribe and the whole Punjabi community is very chilled.
Yeah.
And I have had a couple of friends
Why?
who are Sikhs, and they are so relaxed and so
Exactly.
full of life and full of
Yeah.
heart.
Full of heart.
So
चक दे फटे.
हाँ, जो फिल्मों में दिखाते हैं वो सच है.
Hmm.
बिल्कुल सच है. I totally
बिल्कुल
agree
सच.
with them. I've been
Yeah.
to Punjab, and people are very open and like-minded,
Hmm.
and they were clean. They have a clean heart,
Hmm.
and they're very welcoming
Yeah.
for that matter.
True.
So yeah,
True.
it's
Coming to Punjabi, I just got to know that many people actually don't know that Parth Samran is actually Maharashtrian, not
Yes.
from Punjabi family.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
गुड़ चढ़ी में आप जब काम करते हो, पंजाबी मुंडे भी सॉन्ग आया था आपका, एकदम the moves also पंजाबी वाले थे. So I want to know कि being a Maharashtrian, पंजाबी रोल करने में क्या difficulties थी? अगर आप डायलॉग्स भी कुछ बोल देंगे पंजाबी में तो.
नहीं, पंजाबी डायलॉग्स तो मेरे इतने भी टफ नहीं थे. लाइक इन द फिल्म आई वाज प्लेइंग अ दिल्ली बॉय.
Yeah.
तो मैं एक दिल्ली का किरदार है, जो दिल्ली का लौंडा है, जो एकदम अपना वो होता है ना, जो बकवास करता है.
Hmm.
मार्केटिंग स्किल्स है उसकी, मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज है, और वो बोलेगा ना एक टेबल भी बेचना है तो बेच देगा, तेरा भाई खड़ा है ना. तो
Okay.
वो वाला है बंदा,
Wow.
कि मतलब फुल ऑफ लाइफ, फुल ऑफ
Hmm.
कॉन्फिडेंस. तो yes, it was difficult for me to pull off,
Hmm.
and people still take me as a North Indian.
Hmm.
For some reason, I don't know, they feel that I belong to Delhi, or I look like a Punjabi boy,
Hmm.
but I am a Maharashtrian boy. आणि मी मराठी पण फार चांगलं बोलतो, पण कधी असं कधी मोमेंट नाही आला जेव्हा मला लोकांनी प्रश्न विचारला. आय डोंट नो वेदर यू अंडरस्टँड मराठी और नॉट.
Yeah, हम सब.
You're
हम
somewhere
understanding.
there.
Yeah, I'm somewhere
in
there.
between.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, तर but yes, obviously I am lucky enough and I'm privileged enough की मी आमच्या पुण्यातून येऊन आणि माझ्या आई वडिलांचं आणि माझ्या परिवारचं नाव रोशन करतोय, आणि त्यांना गर्व आहे माझ्यावर की दे टेकिंग होल प्राईड इन मी
So
ऑफ
nice.
कमिंग इन टू दिस इंडस्ट्री. आणि माझं इकडं इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये आय डोंट हॅव एनी वन, इकडे कोण नाही आहे तसं टू गाईड मी, टू शो मी द राईट, आय वुड से मार्गदर्शन, द राईट पाथ. Yeah.
The part.
The path. And yeah, so
You're
I'm
very
just-
fluent in Marathi. Like,
Oh,
really loved it.
हो. आणि I don't know, it comes as a shocking moment for all those people.
Hmm.
And there has been a multiple times when I go to Pune, आणि खूप लोकांशी मी मराठीमध्ये बोलतो, and they said, तू मराठी बोलता है? अरे तू मराठी बोलता है? अरे मैं महाराष्ट्र में, तो अच्छा तू महाराष्ट्रीयन है?
Oh my god. That's an experience.
So with them it's a very fun moment for me.
Hmm.
A lot of times I've actually heard people gossiping about me in Marathi,
Oh my god.
and they think that I don't understand Marathi. So,
Shara.
and then eventually I turn and I say, मला मराठी समजते.
Oh. ये तो पूरा मूवी का सीन हो गया.
स्पेशली द लेडीज.
Yeah.
हे कोण आहे, कसला मुलगा आहे हा, बघत पण नाही, आणि हा कसा चालतोय, आणि कुठे बघतोय, काय खातोय, ऑल दॅट.
Oh my
Yeah, yeah.
god. मला
So-
मराठी येते आंटी.
हा, मला मराठी येते, काय वाटतं तुम्हाला?
Amazing.
पुढे चला.
So Parth, you have always on like highlights, trending पे हमेशा रहते हैं, news articles हो, चाहे Instagram की reels हो.
हाँ.
You know, I want to know that many of the actors who have been in the industry for so long and जो movies में होते हैं, they are not as popular as you. So I want to know, does that love and fame worked in somehow?
Yeah, I don't know whether it worked or it didn't, but yes, it helps you to inspire yourself. It's always a good feeling when you have that sort of acknowledgement from a lot of fans, because that's what an actor drives for, यार.
Yeah.
Eventually आप क्या चाहते हो? बहुत लोगों को इनफैक्ट आई ट्रूली आई फील वेरी बैड एंड अनफॉर्चुनेट कि बहुत ऐसे लोग हैं जो बहुत सालों से इंडस्ट्री में और बहुत कुछ अच्छा काम कर चुके हैं, लेकिन उनको उतना ड्यू नहीं मिलता
Exactly.
जितना वो डिजर्व करते हैं. So I feel very blessed and fortunate enough to have that sort of wonderful fan following. People still do it. They relate me to their real life characters, and they wish to have a boyfriend like the characters that I have played.
Yeah.
And बहुत सारी शिकायतें भी मिलती है मुझे उनके बॉयफ्रेंड से कि यार भाई तू ऐसा क्या करता है कि मतलब उनको वो हमको बोलती है तेरे जैसे बनने के लिए,
हाँ.
क्या करते हो आप, जरा टिप्स दो हमको, जरा गाइडेंस दो, जरा एडवाइस दो. So I feel very blessed enough to have that sort of touch wood, to have that craze and that sort of love and admiration. And yes, coming back to your question, it has helped me to become the person who I am today. To gain that sort of confidence, because on the contrary, I'm a very shy kid. Initially, I never used to face camera, and as in like take interviews or something, that I would get very conscious. But today, where I stand is because of the confidence that these people have given me.
Yes.
So it's very important for any artist to have that sort of following or that sort of love they deserve.
Yeah. And you're an honest artist,
Yeah.
and I must say, and you know, Parth, you are controversy's favorite child. Like koi bhi news ho, it has absolutely nothing to do, but you are there. So I want to know, Parth, how do you tackle it? How do you take it?
Like मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, मुझसे कहती है मुझे, और बहुत फनीली आज भी मुझसे कहती है, पार्थ तुझे कंट्रोवर्सी पर जाना नहीं पड़ता, तू बीच में खड़ा है और तू स्पाइडरमैन की तरह तू ऐसे करता है और कंट्रोवर्सी तेरे पास आ जाती है अपने आप. तो I still laugh on that, but yeah, coming back to your question, what was the question? I completely forgot.
Yeah, so how do you tackle it?
How do I
take
tackle
it in
it?
some way?
How do I tackle it? I tackle it in the most funny way. I laugh over it. I share it amongst my friends. They share it with me also.
Oh my
So
God.
yeah. We crack it. We take that as a meme. And nowadays it doesn't matter all that. Nowadays it's all about let your work speaking for yourself.
Exactly.
है ना? तो आपका काम आपके लिए बोलना चाहिए यार, क्योंकि स्ट्रेस तब होता है जब काम नहीं चल रहा और ये सब चीज़ों में आप पड़े हो, तो वो एक अलग ही जोन में आप चले जाते हो.
Exactly.
बट अगर आपके साथ कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें हो रही है जो आप बहुत दिल से चाहते हो, और आपका अगर दिल साफ है, आपकी नीयत साफ है, तो भगवान आपका साथ देता ही है.
True.
तो बस ऊपर वाले की दुआ से हम अभी फिलहाल फाइनली यही फिल्म को हम काम को लेकर हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, और whatever controversy, whatever it is, I will let the work speak for itself. So
Okay.
yeah.
Absolutely true.
Yeah.
Obviously, you want to explore more in the industry. So I want
Yeah.
to know at what genre you
Yeah.
really want to.
No, I'm a big mass entertainer, I would say. I'm a big fan of mass entertaining films.
Oh my God.
Yes. So for me, films like Bahubali, a film like KGF,
Oh.
Salar,
Oh my
or
God.
even Kalki,
Oh
for that
my
matter.
God.
You know, that those are the kind of films I would really like to see myself in.
Yeah.
And hopefully, inshallah, one day, fingers crossed, I see myself in those films and doing all sorts of action.
Yeah.
The whole intense action where romance has to be very minimum, but it has to be more about saving the world.
Same. Oh my God.
The typical Marvel film,
Yeah,
saving the world.
So true. I can
So,
imagine you in that mask.
So I'm a big sci-fi fan, so I watch a lot of sci-fi films.
Nice.
And yeah, I
Which
would
movie are you
love to
currently watching?
do- Deadpool.
Deadpool?
Yeah, I saw it. It was fabulous.
I have
Fully
to
entertaining.
watch it. I have
Arey,
to
you
watch it.
should
I've
watch.
never watched it.
Fully entertaining.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I've heard from a lot of my friends that you should visit.
Kalki I watched. Did you watch Kalki?
Yes, I
Yeah.
did. Yeah, it's
So,
good.
loved
It's
it.
nice. Loved it.
Very
yeah.
nice.
Imagine Parth and Kalki.
Yeah. No, but it's a very good feeling that our industry is growing with leaps and bounds. Like gone are the days where we used to actually make fun of Bollywood and say that we are very much behind Hollywood.
Yeah.
But I feel after watching Kalki or films like Bahubali or even KGF, there are such wonderful scripts to be made. There are such wonderful visual effects that are being carried out in today's world, and VFX and everything, that it feels so surreal and real. Especially in Kalki, after watching everything, the whole narrative and the whole visual effects was so striking and so convincing enough that we feel that yes, now is the right time for Bollywood to explore
Yeah.
science fiction.
Yeah,
Yeah,
true.
yeah.
अभी कल्कि के बारे में बोले थे तो मेरे दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन आया कि कल्कि में which role that you really want, you would want to play?
I would want to play.
Yeah.
यार आई विश Bachchan sir what he has done. I could never think in my
Yes.
life that I would again get a chance or we would get a chance to see him doing that action sort of a
Exactly,
character.
as a life.
And that too a proper 8 feet Ashwathama
Yeah.
playing and trying to defend
Yeah.
his the Kalki.
Hmm.
So yeah, it was a visual treat to watch, and I'm looking forward for all the friendship between him and of course Prabhas, the so-called avatar of Karan.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah,
Amazing.
so I if gotten a chance, obviously anything that Prabhas does is so
So,
visually striking, and
Yes.
so I'm a big fan of him. And right after Bahubali, obviously we all were his fans.
obviously.
What he created over there,
Yeah.
about Rajamouli sir's conviction, everything. And after that, every film that he does is so grand
Hmm.
that I would see myself hopefully one day, fingers crossed, in such a film.
One day,
Yeah,
yes, sure. And Parth, you are an inspiration for outsiders
Yeah.
because आप पुणे में थे,
Correct.
उसके बाद आप मुंबई में आए, then
Correct.
you were studying and you were auditioning, and with absolutely no leads, no contacts. क्योंकि मैंने बहुत लोगों से सुना भी है कि इंडस्ट्री में टैलेंट तो बट ऑब्वियसली होना ही चाहिए, बट unless and until you don't have connections, you don't have relation, you can't have the access through it.
Correct.
So I want to know, how was it for you to gain access to the industry from initially?
It wasn't easy. It wasn't
Yes.
easy, to be honest. And till date, if you ask me, even now, today, I will answer that apart from your hard work and your talent, of course, which is important, destiny plays a vital part. आपकी किस्मत बहुत एक बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है. इनफैक्ट अगर आपका हार्ड वर्क भी कम रहा चलेगा, आप टैलेंटेड भी कम हो चलेगा, लेकिन आपकी किस्मत अगर आपके साथ दे रही है तो नथिंग लाइक इट.
Yeah.
So a lot of people over here in this industry, and that's the most funny part,
Mm.
that they are supremely talented,
Mm.
but they haven't gotten the dues.
Yeah.
They haven't gotten what they deserve. And there are some people who haven't worked so hard,
Mm.
but they have that huge fan following, or they have the love and admiration from all sorts of people.
True.
Again, kismat.
Kismat.
So,
Trust the process.
Yeah, trust the
universe.
process. All you can do is believe in yourself, and that's what I've been trying to say myself since past 2-3 months, I would say.
Oh my God.
I have kept a wallpaper on my phone also.
Yeah.
Believe.
Oh my God.
So yeah, I need
Universe believed
to.
you.
So I need to, no matter how difficult it is, your path, you need to believe in yourself, and you need to believe in the Almighty. That कितने भी कठिन रास्ते हो, कितनी भी कठिनाइयाँ हो, अगर आपकी दिल साफ है और आपकी नीयत साफ है ना, तो वो आपको एक रास्ता जरूर दिखाएगा और वो आपके साथ जरूर चलेगा. So
Yeah.
believe in that.
Exactly.
So,
And पाथ को पाथ दिख ही गया.
Yes.
दिखा दिया.
Absolutely. Thank you
Yes.
so much for putting it that way.
Yeah. And also पाथ, अभी इससे ही मैं क्वेश्चन से याद आया कि आउटसाइडर्स बहुत सवाल जवाब भी मतलब
बिल्कुल,
सवाल
बिल्कुल,
करते
बिल्कुल,
रहते
बिल्कुल.
भी पूछते
सबसे
हैं.
कॉमन सवाल मुझे ये आता है कि we also want to become an actor, and how do we go through it? मतलब मैं क्या बोलूँ अब इसमें? The simplest rule is audition. So then they are like, किसके पास जाए? I'm like,
सब आप ही बता
सब आप ही
दो.
बता दो. Like यार मतलब सब कुछ अभी जानना है. अच्छा हाँ, और कौन, उनका नंबर दे दो हमें, हम बात कर लें. अच्छा ये फोन नहीं उठा रहे, इनका तो नंबर दे दो हमें, और किससे बात करें हम. सो दे फील दैट अगर हमको कोई गाइडेंस करने वाला है या कोई हाँ ठीक है हम इससे बात करें या हमें गाइड कर देगा तो सब रास्ते ठीक हो जाएंगे. बट लेट मी टेल यू, and let me tell everyone, whoever is watching this, there are no shortcuts in Bollywood. There are no easier routes in Bollywood. You will have to find your own path. You will have to find your own way. That's the most beautiful part about this industry. There is no certain way कि ये डिग्री लेने के बाद आपको प्रमोशन मिलेगा, प्रमोशन के बाद आपको 2 साल के बाद आपका इंक्रीमेंट होगा, 2 साल के बाद MBA करोगे. There is nothing fixed in this industry. You might take 10 years, you might take 2 years, or you might even take 2 months. So it all depends on your talent, your hard work, and of course destiny put together.
Yes,
Yeah.
true. And also ये सवाल मैंने इमरान हाशमी से भी पूछा
जी.
था जब मैंने पिछली बार इंटरव्यू किया था. तो what he said was, if you can't take rejection,
हाँ.
then you can't fit in the industry.
हाँ.
अगर रिजेक्शन पर, क्योंकि आउटसाइडर्स के लिए अगर आप रिजेक्शन फेस नहीं करोगे,
Correct.
एंड आई एम श्योर आपने भी रिजेक्शन
Yeah,
फेस किए हैं,
हाँ.
and you have not given up, and that's the trust.
Correct,
And that's the
correct.
process.
Correct.
You should always give in yourself.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But it's
And
also
then you
important.
did.
Yeah. But it's also important for let the rejections feel you.
Yeah.
बहुत
So
जरूरी है
true.
क्योंकि क्या हो ना it's very important in today's world. A lot of people they don't wish to face their emotions.
Hmm.
They don't want to become vulnerable in front of people.
Exactly.
अगर आपको दुख हो रहा है, अगर आप रिजेक्ट हुए हो, अगर आपका कोई फेलियर आया है, तो उसे एक्सेप्ट करना भी जरूरी है.
Hmm.
उसके साथ वक्त बिताओ.
Hmm.
It's important to acknowledge your emotions
Yeah.
and then come back. Then stay strong. Then don't look back.
Hmm.
Then you know okay, this is some sort of memory that has made you strong from within. And
Yeah.
then move forward.
Oh.
So it is important to do that rather than rejecting. अरे छोड़ना यार, चल ये सब चलता रहता है. चल जाके बोलते हैं ना, चल जाके पार्टी करते हैं.
Hmm.
चल जाके कहीं घूमते हैं. It is important to spend time with yourself,
So true.
to let that emotion sink in,
Yeah.
and then face the world again.
Exactly. And Parth, one thing that you would love to steal from the cast, starting with Sanjay Dutt.
Steal from the one thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, the kind of human, the kind of strength that he has.
Yeah.
He's faced everything, literally everything.
I know.
फिल्म बन गई यार, इसके ऊपर आप क्या ही बोल सकते हैं आप.
Exactly. Ravina Tandon.
Ravina Tandon, her charm, her whole, I would say, sensuality.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Khushali.
Khushali, I would say the most easygoing, cooperative actor. So I would say not care a damn about the world. वो वाला attitude है ना
Hmm.
कि let the others speak. I will do what I want to. So that is something that I learned from her.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Aruna ma'am.
That dedication, and along with that dedication, the kind of humanity and the kind of human she is.
Yeah.
Very easygoing, very
Yeah.
grounded,
Yeah.
everything. After working for 6 decades,
Hmm.
6 decades,
Yes.
man.
Yes. I
हमें ये
know.
नहीं पता हम जिंदा रहेंगे 6 decades तक.
Yeah. And she was very natural. in
Very
this
natural.
film. Very
Yeah,
natural.
yeah. बेटा.
And also बात आपकी ऑन स्क्रीन हीरोइन तो मिल गई है आपको
हाँ,
खुशहाली, एंड
हाँ.
आई वांट टू नो ऑफ स्क्रीन हीरोइन कौन है, क्या है?
God, इसकी तलाश मेरी माँ बरसों से कर रही हैं. And I hope वो बरसों खत्म ही ना हो. But let's see. अभी तो फिलहाल घुड़चड़ी के ऊपर फोकस है. फिर उसके बाद मेरी माँ मेरे पीछे लगेगी कि चलो
कि
अब
तुम भी गुड़चड़ी अभी रियल में कर लो.
तुम ये कर ही लो. तो अभी तक तो कोई नहीं है.
Hmm.
कोई लड़की ऐसी कोई है नहीं कि जिसके बारे में आई हैव थॉट ऑफ इट. बट आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग who will match up to this tall, sexy, handsome Desi Munda Chirag.
Oh.
Parth.
Yes. Also, अभी एक छोटा सा सेगमेंट कर लेते हैं, लव
Yes.
क्विज के अराउंड है. What's the most romantic or craziest thing you have ever done in the name of love? प्यार में कभी कुछ craziness किया?
Craziness?
हाँ,
अरे बहुत क्रेजी किया है.
क्या क्या?
लाइक एक लड़की थी दिल्ली से,
हम्म,
और मैंने उसे कहा था कि मैं दिल्ली आ रहा हूँ.
हम्म,
मैं कहीं और जा रहा था,
हम्म,
और मैंने बहाना बनाया कि मेरा टिकट कैंसिल हो गया है.
हम्म.
और लेकिन मैंने खुद नहीं कैंसिल करा था वो टिकट, क्योंकि उसने बोला था कि मैं तुम्हें दिल्ली घुमाऊंगी. तो मैं उसके चक्कर में दिल्ली चला गया. लेकिन मैं दिल्ली भी यही सोच के नहीं गया था कि मैं तुम्हारे लिए आ रहा हूँ. मेरा कुछ काम है यहाँ पर, मेरा कोई शूट है, मैं उसके लिए आया हूँ. तो मैं दिन में मैं घर पे बैठता था और उसके फ़ोन नहीं उठाता था, मैसेज नहीं रिप्लाई करता था, उसे ये दिलासा देने के लिए कि मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ.
My God.
और फिर शाम में जाके मैं उसे मिलता था और वो मुझे दिल्ली दिखा देती थी. बस वो मोमेंट के लिए मैं दिल्ली गया था.
Oh my God,
So,
that's so sweet.
yeah,
उसको
yeah.
पता चला फिर बाद में? Like,
नहीं.
oh God.
हाँ, आगे जाकर मुझे लगता है मैंने
बोला
नहीं मैंने एक्चुअली नहीं बोला.
नहीं
आई डिडंट नो हाउ शी वुड टेक इट. So yeah. Actually.
Amazing.
She still doesn't know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now she might get to know.
पता नहीं.
Which romantic movie character do you want to related to the most?
Related to?
That you have related that to the most.
अरे I have
Movie
related
character.
myself a lot. Too many. I don't know. Any sort of SRK films. कल हो ना.
I was expecting
Aman.
this. Yeah.
अमन.
Aman. Oh my
From
God,
Kal Ho Na.
that's in my heart.
मरते दम तक प्यार करूंगा और उसके बाद भी.
Yeah.
नैना.
Oh, cute. 3 qualities that your future wife or girlfriend must have.
3 qualities. One, she should have interest in food. She should have.
Big
Because-
foodie?
Big foodie. I want her to eat as much as I can, as I do. Or rather, especially, we want to have conversations about food.
Okay.
Second would be traveling.
Hmm.
I love to travel. She has to be also very travel
Hmm.
explorer.
Thanks.
Third, quality,
Hmm.
I would say, grounded, very human.
Very human.
I'm very considerate about all people surrounding her.
Hmm.
You know, like not to show who is she, or not to tell people what she has done, or not sort of overpower the people around her. I don't like doing that. I don't myself indulge myself into, and I want my partner to be the same way. Be very human with
Very
everyone.
human and very
Yeah.
grounded.
Grounded.
That's true. After Khushrali, if you could be anyone's love interest that you are currently manifesting, who would be?
After Khushrali, after Devika.
Khushrali is your
Is it-
love interest?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I got confused after
If
Khushrali.
in movie.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Kriti Sanon tops my list.
Oh.
I feel I've acknowledged her work. I've appreciated. I love how she's grown as an actor,
Mm.
and I feel she's one of the most underrated actors,
Yeah.
where she is just fabulous.
Mm.
Sharvari is one of the youngest lot. I feel is very talented, supremely talented. And
Yeah.
I've seen her portraying different characters in different sort of films.
Mm.
So yeah, she has that lovely, lively vibe, I would say. Yeah. So
I read
these
one comment path. तृप्ति के साथ कब मूवी करोगे? कभी सोचा है ऐसा?
नहीं, to be honest, अभी ऐसे कुछ सोचा तो है नहीं.
Hmm.
But let's see. Whatever, if ever I get a chance to work with any of these
Hmm.
wonderful actors, including Tripti,
Hmm.
I would be obviously privileged, and I would make sure that I give my 100% towards the character and also the film, and I would justify.
Yeah.
And yes, I'm pretty much confident that after watching Gurchari, I would get that sort of acknowledgement,
Hmm.
because yeah, I think it's been long since
Yeah.
it's due for me.
Exactly.
So,
Keep
yeah.
this manifestation
Yeah,
strong.
So
Yes.
I'm manifesting that whoever I've named in this three, including Tripti, I feel that yes, someday, fingers crossed, I get to be a part, and I get to pair opposite them. Yeah, in a film, which will be very romantic.
Yeah, one day.
Yeah, one day.
Parth, if you had to cook a romantic dinner, what would it be?
Romantic dinner.
क्या
Candles
बनाओगे?
लगा
आपकी
दो,
foodie-
फूल लगा दो, सब कुछ लगा दो, और बनाओ 2 मिनट वाली मैगी अंदर.
Oh my God! आपकी होने वाली बीवी जो फूडी रहेगी, बिग फूडी, उसको आप मैगी खिलाओगे?
देखो, there is something called as Zomato and Swiggy.
Good one.
So yeah, all thanks to them.
Yeah.
With tips, they will definitely make sure it turns out to be a romantic one.
Yeah. Ideal destination for a honeymoon.
Ideal destination, I would say my favorite destination, as in my favorite in terms of never been, but it's a dream destination for me, would be Australia, New Zealand. So I've never been. I wish to go. I've traveled on the other parts of the world, like be it United States or Europe or London for that matter. But yes, that is one place I want to go.
Okay. And lastly, your most favorite couple from the industry जिनको देख के ही लगता है कि couple goal है भाई.
Ranveer Alia is right now the most fascinating couple, and I feel everything has happened so perfectly for them. Touch wood, and including their daughter, so pretty, everything. So that is there. Ritesh and Janelia, obviously, we all know how fantastic they are as a
obviously.
power couple. And yeah, they're fun, they're full of surprises,
Mhm.
and yeah, they're full of laughter. And that's what you want in your life also. That's what I wish to have my partner like that full of life, full of laughter and happiness.
Amazing. Well, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Parth. It was lovely having you, and all the very, very best for Gurchari. And I can imagine fans are already in love with your performance
Yes.
from the trailer. And
Yes.
thank you so much. May you shine, may you glow.
Thank you so much. I'm already glowing, but I hope that I glow more
Yeah,
after-
more and more.
after you watch the film and after you give me an honest review.
Obviously,
Yeah.
thank you.
Please, waiting for that. 9th of
Absolutely.
August. Hi, this is Par Samdan, and you're watching me on Instant Bollywood.